Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the beneficent. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to class 6. I am Manzoor Ali Abbasi, mathematics teacher, Pakistan International School. Dear student, today we are going to deliver lecture number 1, consisting of the chapter number 1, sets, exercise 1.1. Now let us start the exercise 1.1. Before starting exercise 1.1, we have few major points that I would like to explain for you. Here, the introduction of the set definition, set representation, which is very important, and in the very beginning of the exercise, I have explained. Now, set definition, we can say the well-defined collection of objects. Now here, is the every collection may be set? No. What kind of the collection may be set? That is well defined and distinct. Dear student, we should be aware from the meaning of the well defined. Well defined means that particular collection, when you read, you don't have any confusion at the time of reading, at the time of explanation. Distinct means set has a term and condition for its explanation. That which collection, whatever the collection you are going to take, the statement what you have, that the values or members which we are taking in a set, no value will be taken two times. Every value will be distinct, means different from the other. So that's why we have the meaning of the distinct. Distinct means different, or no same value will be repeated. We have to keep distinct first of all in mind. That every collection, you cannot say set. Collection, that we can say the set that will be well defined and distinct. Dear student, here set representation is made in curly bracket, and every element inside the bracket is separated by placing comma. Dear student, I have here exercise 1.1. That is only we have to identify set or not set. Suppose in question number 1, we are given the 10 parts. I start the part number 1, the 5 provinces of Pakistan. Now this collection or this statement, we can understand. When we can understand, it is set. Same way, the second part, the difficult questions of a test. Now here we have certain confusions. We can't decide the test belongs to which subject. So that's why it is not a set. Dear student, I have a third segment of the question number 1. The geometrical instrument. Geometrical instrument, yes, we can know what are the geometrical instruments. This statement is very clear. So that's why it is said. Part number 4, the naughty boys of the street. Now, naughty boys belongs to the street, but the street belongs to which city? Where is the location? How we locate the street? It is difficult for us because no proper location is mentioned here. So that's why it is not a set. Dear students, I have a question part number 5, question number 1. The capital letters of the English alphabet. Now this collection is also well defined. So it is said English alphabets we know. capital letters we know. So that's why it is the set. Sixth number, the players of Pakistan cricket team. Everybody know the Pakistan cricket team. Cricket team belongs to the Pakistan, and that's why we can identify the player which are in a team, and team belongs to the Pakistan. So that's why it is also the set. Dear student, I have a seventh part. Sharp boys of a school. Now here is also the problem. Sharp, intelligent boy belongs to the school, but the school belongs to here. What is the name of the school? We don't know. The school name we don't know. So here, the introduction or identification of the school is incomplete. That's why we can't decide about the complete information. So it is not a set. Dear student, here I have a eighth part. The natural numbers less than like Pakistan, Iran, Spain, Japan, Nepal. And second question, the set of 3 games. You can also take any 3 games, not necessary that the name of the games that I have taken, you also take the same. No, not necessary. You can take also that. So here I have took the name football, cricket, volleyball. And third, the set of the first 10 national numbers. I have placed here in a tabular form. In tabular form, we have the 2 specific properties. Number 1, curly bracket. Each element will be placed. After each element, we will place the comma. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to the 10. Dear students, I have a question number here, 4. The set of the first even numbers. The first of 8 even numbers. First 8 even numbers. Definitely even numbers start from the 2, 4, and but necessary the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And after that, there is the set of vowels U. We know there are the 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. Thank you. Now the set of the 6th number is set of the last 4 months. I have mentioned the numbers: September, October, November, December. The set of the 7 days of a week, very easy, is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Dear student, the second last question, the set of colors in Pakistan. Very simple, very simple. Here we have the set of the colors of the Pakistan flag, green and white. But we write green, white. Dear students, I have a question number 9, needs part number 9, that is the set of the 5 rivers of the Pakistan. That is the Ravi, Chenab, Satluj, Jhelum, and River Indus. Dear student, and the last question of the last part of the question number 6, exercise 1.1, that is the set of 3 last Islamic months. The set of 3 last Islamic, the 3 Islamic months. Sorry, no last, the 3 Islamic months: Muharram, Ramazan, Shawwal. Dear student, we have completed the lecture number 1. I hope by the grace of Allah Almighty, my dear students, you will understand. And I hope that in the coming lecture, we will discuss the points, or we will discuss the task for challenge for your information. Inshallah, I will wait for your comments also. And it is my pleasure that I have to discuss with you your confusions and the things that I want to again revise here, 1.1, that it consists of 6 questions, and particularly the related questions are about the set definitions. Set definition, it consists of 2 segments. Number 1, well-defined. Number 1, well-defined, and number 2, distinct. Dear students, in many books We have the definitions, but the particular and major concept is that the every collection you cannot say set, but the collection that is well defined and distinct, you can say set. After that, we have a symbolic form, and here the values which are described inside the curly bracket, we call the elements of a set, we call a member of a set, and they are separated by placing the comma. Here is a member or is not a member in symbolic form. In the very start of the question, I have mentioned its symbolic form. After that, we have another question. We want to make the relation of the first value with the second one with the given set. If it is exact, if the statement is right, you can see, okay, in a symbolic form, you can write it symbol. Symbol may be in a positive form, just it belongs to, or it does not belong to, you will take its negative form if the statement is not right. Now, after that, we discuss two types of the methods or techniques or forms of the set representation. Set representation here consists of the two techniques or two forms. Number one, first of all, here descriptive form. In descriptive form, set is defined with the help of properties in the statement. But in a tabular form, we have only two characteristics. Number one, the elements are written inside the curly bracket, and after that, each element is separated by placing comma. Okay, dear students, I hope that you will take a maximum benefit from our today's lecture number 1, consisting of the sets, exercise 1.1. I hope that you will understand. I will wait for your comments, and well, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you very much for watching.